All right, guys and girls. So we are officially here at Contagion Athletics. I don't quite know where they got the name, but Contagion Athletics out here in Amarillo, Texas. And you can see by these aerial shots, it is absolutely massive looking. So from the outside, looks super cool. Let's check it out on the inside. All right, so when you come through the front entrance, you're going to come into the gym. Here's the main part of the gym. It's enormous. It's just a massive open space, and there's some side rooms that we're going to take a look at. But let's take you around the side of the windows over here first. This looks to be more of the powerlifting area. They've got the squat racks and the deadlift platforms. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 platforms. Looks to be equal with 5 to 6 racks. So I think we got 5 platforms and 5 racks. As you walk down this side view, they clearly have classes, or their coaches have workouts programmed up on the board, it looks like. Not quite sure. But so we have the deadlift and the squat rack area. We come around down the center line. We have the entire Prime cable combos. I've never seen these. This gym has a ton of Prime pieces. So the Prime cable combos all along the squat racks. And then we've got the jump boxes, your kettlebells, your foam rollers, your med balls, your pre-made bars, and then all of the attachment pieces that you're looking for. Again, all Prime. So it looks like it's a Prime and Arsenal type of gym. You've got a massive turf, guys. This turf is like a football field almost. So over here on the left, it looks like a little kind of recreational area. Contagion Athletics, little recreation and smoothie shop in there. We'll take a look in there after. But down here looks like there's the real powerlifting area. So they've got more platforms. It looks like we've got some calibrated weights. They have a yoke, it looks like, and yep, calibrated weights are chalk, and the powerlifting bench over here, and their barbell club. So wide open space, guys. That top floor is actually a track that runs around the whole perimeter. So as you can see, the upper cardio deck, the glute room is upstairs, but that track runs the whole perimeter of the building upstairs. So yeah, it is a wide open space. I think we could do a lot more with this space. I don't think the turf needs to be this massive, but I don't know what they use it for, if they have sports teams or athletics coming in. So over here we've got kind of main gym area. It has all kinds of machines. Most of their machines, again, are the Arsenal and the Prime line. So we've got an Arsenal shoulder press, chest press right here. We've got a Prime bench, Arsenal incline bench, more incline benches, another Prime. Is that an incline? Yep, Prime incline bench. We have the leg area along the wall in the back area. So they have a booty builder machine. But again, most of these pieces you can see black and red for the Arsenal. And we've got some back all along the secondary section as we walk this. So some nice back pieces. And then we bring that into the leg area, which is these last 2 rows and that side along the wall. So we've got the Prime leg extensions, ham curls. We've got the hyper extension. They've got the leg presses. They've got the Smith rack over here in the back as well. And then some more leg presses, some additional Prime pieces. This is a cool back Prime machine. I've not seen that with the attachments right there. So Prime chest. So I guess really, guys, it's kind of a mixture of just legs, back, shoulders, and chest in this section. But again, you've got your Prime pieces, your Arsenal pieces for your main component. The locker rooms are back here. So we'll take a look at the guys' locker room. They do have a filtered water piece right there. And we're going to take a look in the locker room. Plenty of lockers, 2 sides. It looks like we've got 2-sided lockers on both sides. And then we have our sink. So we got 2 Flex Fridays, 2 urinals, 2 sinks, and it looks like we got 3 rooms with the toilet. More lockers on this side. Oh, we got 2 more sinks over here. Okay, so they have 4 sinks. And then we have the showers back here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 showers. This is kind of cool. They have the separate changing room kind of here before you go into the shower. So that's nice. It's a nice little addition. It looks like they have towel service. So heading back out, that is our locker room. Quite spacious, and it looks really clean. So that's always a plus. All right, so we are upstairs now, and we're moving our way from the downstairs to the upstairs. Over here to the left is considered, I guess, their prime room. So they have a lot more prime pieces. This tends to be shoulders, it looks like, and arms. Actually, it's a wide mixture. It looks like they've got some leg pieces in here too. So the layout kind of doesn't make a lot of sense to me as I'm walking through, but they have prime and arsenal pieces. 3 arsenal pieces up here. So I really, there's no rhyme or reason right now. It doesn't seem to be, but we have another little workout room up there. All right, down this hall we have. What do we have? Oh, we have some more bathrooms. All right, so you don't have to run downstairs to the locker room. You got 2 bathrooms upstairs and another water fountain over here. So straight ahead now, we're going to move into the cardio section. So here's the upper cardio deck. They have your ellipticals. They've got some nice woodward treadmills. So that's actually a really nice addition to see. And the Matrix ellipticals they do have, and they have other treadmills. They have stairs, some bikes, so it looks like we've got 6 stair steppers, and they do have some assault bikes as well. Over here, this is the track, right? So this is a cool, nice addition using the upper room. Now, I would have actually preferred to see half of this upper space turned into actual flooring, so they could do a lot more with that. Over here we have a little side glute room. So I don't know if this is just a female only room or if it's for anybody, but we got a butt blaster, we got some dumbbells and some hip thrusts, and that's pretty much it for the glute room. So again, there's so much space here, guys. I'm not quite sure the design layout. I feel like being at a lot of the different gyms that I've gone to, we could do so much more. I don't quite understand, again, all of the different separate rooms and the prime room over there. See, I would love to see the whole second floor covering half of this turf so that we could do a lot more machines up on this level. We don't need the track. The track is a cool piece, but we don't really need it. There's a lot more room that they could put in the glute room. I would actually put the glute room where the prime room up here is, over here to the right, because we could add a lot more glute pieces over here. And over here to the left is a random room. Not quite sure. I think, I don't know if they use it for yoga, but again, there's a little dumbbell racks, some more. There's 1 cable machine and a bicep curl. So yeah, guys, not a lot of sense, it seems to be how it's put together, but they have a lot of pieces, which is cool. All right. I did forget to film this side room. So over here, this is the dumbbell room with all of the flat benches and the dumbbells. Plenty of stuff to check out in there, but that's the dumbbell room for free weights. All right, guys. So when we head back out, we come back in. You're not allowed to go out the same way you came in. So I realized we got to come down here towards that pool table. And this is a whole nother separate side, I guess, but this is the exit. So you have to come in one way and you have to exit through this smoothie bar area. So over here, they've got their Contagion Cafe. They have some more bathrooms, it looks like. And then over here to the right, they actually have the recovery room. I did not know this or see this before. So they do have a recovery room. Let's give it a go. And it looks like they've got a cold plunge and some infrared saunas. Yeah, 2 or 3 infrared saunas, it looks like, plus the cold plunge. Awesome. So a nice recovery piece. You got the bathrooms again right out here if you need more water. And then it looks like a little cafe area if you want to hang out, play pool, maybe do some work. So that's also a nice little addition. I don't think it needs to be this big. It's massive, but you can cafe right over there. So here we go. And this is the exit when we leave Contagion Athletics. We're going to give that a 5 out of 5. Awesome